Many artificial toners which we use, they overdry your skin, which may cause a major damage. So today we'll see a homemade toner with natural ingredients. For making toner, I am taking half a cucumber like this. I am not peeling this cucumber, I am keeping its skin as it is. Now I'll shred this cucumber. Once you are done with shredded cucumber, it's time to extract juice from this. For that, I'm using tea strainer. I'm placing little amount of shredded cucumber here and pressing from the top and extracting the juice. Once you are done, cucumber juice looks like this. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of homemade rose water. If you want to know how to make rose water at home, please do comment below so that I can make a separate video on it. Once you're done adding rose water, mix it well. Now I'm taking an ice tray and I'll pour this cucumber juice into it. Once you are done with it, now it's time to keep this in freezer. Once they form ice cubes like this, it's time to remove them. Whenever you want to use it, just remove one ice cube from the tray. You can also keep this liquid as it is and refrigerate it, but the lifetime varies. If you do ice cubes like this, it stays around 1.5 weeks to 2 weeks. If you are keeping it as a liquid in refrigerator, it stays around 1 week. Now let us know how to use it. After washing your face, take an ice cube and massage it all over your face in circular motions. Once you are done, no need of washing your face. Just tap a dry towel to remove excess water. After that, apply your favorite moisturizer. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. This is Praty signing off.